Since its debut in 2021, the Aprilia Tuareg 660 has been one of the top players in the middleweight adventure bike biz. It goes fast, rides well, and promises exceptional off-road abilities. All this is now being carried forward to 2024, as the Noale Factory has taken the wraps off the updated Tuareg 660. So let's look at 10 things you need to know before buying the 2024 Aprilia Tuareg 660. The Aprilia Tuareg 660 is powered by a refined 659cc parallel twin engine, a derivative of the power unit found in Aprilia's acclaimed RS 660 and 210 660, but with significant modifications for adventure readiness. This engine is characterized by its double overhead camshaft and a 270 degrees crankshaft angle, optimizing torque delivery for a punchier response across a wide range of RPMs. Producing 80 horsepower at 9,250 revolutions per minute and 70 Nm of torque at 6,500 revolutions per minute, this bike promises brisk acceleration and an agile ride, with a top speed of 123 miles per hour and the ability to sprint from 0 to 60 in just 4.4 seconds. Such performance metrics not only highlight the bike's spirited nature, but also ensure it's as thrilling on the tarmac as it is capable on dirt. This bike is a modern motorcycle and is equipped like one. Central to its tech arsenal is the 5" TFT display, which serves as the gateway to the rider aids and settings, including 4 distinct rider modes: Explore, Urban, Off-Road, and a fully customizable mode. This setup allows riders to fine-tune their experience, adjusting traction control, engine braking, and engine maps to suit their riding style and conditions. Features like cruise control further enhance the Tuareg 660's usability, making it a formidable competitor in the mid-sized adventure bike market. The Tuareg 660 stands out for its commitment to rider safety, integrating advanced features that instill confidence across varied riding conditions. Equipped with a robust Brembo braking system, this bike ensures efficient and smooth stopping power. Additionally, the bike is fitted with comprehensive electronic aids, including adjustable traction control and ABS, which can be fine-tuned or completely deactivated to match the rider's preferences and the demands of different terrains. This adaptability is crucial for an adventure bike, offering both protection on slippery roads and the freedom to explore off-road paths with confidence. The exterior design of the Tuareg 660 artfully combines functionality with Italian elegance, making it visually striking and purpose-built for adventure. For 2024, this motorcycle receives minimal updates, but introduces new color schemes that highlight its sleek and rugged lines, emphasizing its dual character as both an off-road warrior and a street performer. The bike's design features, such as its high front fender, indicate its class-leading suspension travel and off-road capabilities, while the expanded range of dedicated accessories, including air filters for dusty conditions, reinforce its readiness for any adventure. This thoughtful design approach ensures this bike not only performs exceptionally in diverse environments, but also stands out aesthetically. The Tuareg 660 delivers an impressive ride quality that caters to both off-road enthusiasts and those who crave a sporty performance on the asphalt. Reviewers laud its precise and nimble handling, particularly noting the impressive performance of the suspension system. With a travel of 240 mm at both the front and rear, provided by the off-road focused Kayaba setup, this bike ensures a comfortable and controlled ride over a variety of terrains. Despite its off-road capabilities, the bike surprises with its road manners. Its steering is described as precise and easy to maneuver, even with the off-road-centric 21 inches front and 18 inches rear wheels. This dual character makes this bike a versatile choice, offering a blend of adventure readiness and on-road agility that few bikes can match. However, potential riders should consider that while the suspension offers ample travel for off-road excursions, it may present a learning curve for those not accustomed to managing such a dynamic ride in varying conditions. When it comes to fuel economy, the Tuareg 660 stands out in its class. Boasting an impressive fuel mileage of 58.8 miles per gallon, it sets a high standard for efficiency among mid-sized adventure bikes. This remarkable fuel economy, combined with a fuel tank capacity of 4.75 gallons, provides an extended range, ensuring longer rides with fewer interruptions for refueling. Such efficiency is especially valuable for adventure riders who prioritize the ability to explore remote areas without constant concern over the next fuel stop. The Tuareg 660's handling and braking capabilities offer a good combination of agility and safety, making it a standout choice for riders who demand precision in every turn. Its lightweight frame and balanced geometry ensure nimble handling, allowing for quick and responsive maneuvers both on and off the road. Equipped with high-performance Brembo brakes, featuring dual 300mm discs at the front and a single 260mm disc at the rear, this motorcycle provides excellent stopping power, critical for both urban commutes and adventurous trails. The bike's suspension system further complements its handling, with 240mm of travel providing ample support and comfort over rough terrains. While the motorcycle's handling and braking performance are great, some riders, particularly novices, may find the bike's responsiveness and power challenging to master initially. It's crucial for potential owners to assess their skill level and comfort before buying a motorcycle like this. The Tuareg 660 is priced to reflect its position as a premium offering in the mid-sized adventure motorcycle market, with the base model starting at $12,299. This pricing places it within a competitive range, considering its advanced technology, performance capabilities, and brand heritage. The bike offers significant value for an adventure motorcycle of its caliber. However, the decision on whether it presents a great value will depend on your priorities, such as specific tech features, brand preference, and the importance of dual sport capability. This bike is a great choice for those looking for versatility, but it can be a bit too much for those simply looking for a pure adventure motorcycle. The 2024 Aprilia Tuareg 660 introduces minimal updates from its predecessors, primarily focusing on aesthetic enhancements such as new color options. This strategy suggests Aprilia's confidence in this bike's existing design and performance, opting to refine rather than overhaul it. While the lack of significant updates may disappoint riders seeking revolutionary changes, it also indicates the model's maturity and the manufacturer's commitment to maintaining a proven platform. If you already own a Tuareg 660, there is very little reason to upgrade to the 2024 model unless you really love the new Canyon Sand, Atrides Black, or Dakar Podium color schemes. Aprilia is known for its quality engineering and performance in other motorcycle segments. They back the Tuareg 660 with a standard 2-year warranty, which is on par with most manufacturers in this category. This warranty covers defects in materials and workmanship, providing some peace of mind during the initial ownership period. If you want better coverage, or if you're planning on venturing far off the beaten path, exploring Aprilia's extended warranty options or third-party providers might be worth considering. Remember, regular maintenance and responsible riding play a crucial role in ensuring adventure motorcycles like the Tuareg 660 delivers a reliable and enjoyable riding experience for years to come.